Hi everyone and welcome. In this flexibility tutorial, you will learn how to do the Vishwamitrasana or the advanced split pose. This is an advanced yoga posture, so make sure you warm up properly before following these stretches. You will begin the stretching routine with some basic knee stretches. Make sure you breathe properly and hold these static stretches for a long period. Slowly you will transition to the side bend stretches, and after that you are going to grab your knees as a modification for this line. Repeat the same stretches for another leg as well. It is obvious that your dominant leg is going to be more flexible, so you have to incorporate this practice for both the sides. Now here are some preparatory steps which will help you to get into the Vishwamitrasana or advanced split pose. First of all, look forward and get into a sideward lunge, keeping your dominant leg forward. Here I am keeping my right leg. Now slowly bring your right hand or your dominant side below your dominant leg. After that, just try to experiment if your hand is properly grounded. Once your right hand is properly grounded below your right knee, you will extend your left hand towards your feet, grab it and try to extend your leg to a full split. Your right hand will majorly do the balancing stuff here, whereas your left hand will be responsible for extending your leg all along. So this will be your Vishwamitrasana or split pose practice at a beginner level. Please follow this tutorial consistently for best results. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you in the next video, guys.